Thanks for joining us today for our math lesson. Can everyone say hello? Hello. Let's begin with our meditation.
Think about
Heart center, 2 fingers to find our heart center. Left hand in our lap and close your eyes. Very nice. Feel for boom boom in your heart center. Move your right hand into your lap when you feel it. Let's end our meditation with 3 breaths together. 1, 2, and our last one, 3. Slowly start to wiggle your toes. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers. Slowly open your eyes. And let's begin our math lesson. In this lesson, we're going to practice our division, still with 1-digit divisors, but today we'll be focusing on 7, 8s, and 9s. And we're going to practice with some fact families to begin. We're going to do some PowerPoint problems together at our desks, and then we'll finish with a worksheet very similar to the last lesson. So let's start with our fact families. We're going to do some races today, just like we did in some other lessons, because they are very fun. So we're going to have 2 friends come up. They're going to have their backs to the wall. I'm going to write 3 numbers on the board. They'll turn around when we say go and show us all their fact families. We're going to have division on one side and multiplication on the other side, so you only have to write out 2 of the equations, okay? So our first friends are going to be Nadir and Down. Come on up.
Me and Paht.
See? So blue will be times, division will be red. Okay, choose a color. Okay, so you're what? Times. What are you? Divided by. Okay, turn around, girls. Here we go. I'll do the first one and then our winner. Ready, set, go. What numbers do we have, friends?
7, 35,
and 5. Okay. Ooh, they're just about time. All right. Are these correct, friends? Yep, looking good. Oh, Nadir was so close. Okay, let's take the markers. Nadir, can you erase for us? Can you erase for us? And Down, you're going to say go, so you can bring the special chair.
Me and Paht.
I'm gonna choose friends that are very quiet. Paht, Boong, and Prow, you're next. Thank you. Okay, what numbers do we have?
7,
8, 72, and 9. Very nice. Looking good. All right, is this correct, my friends? Looks good. What about over here? Looking good. All right. Prow, you're going to be our next person. Paht, Boom can erase for us. And Pangpon and Paht. Come on up. Okay. So what are you doing? Plus? Times. What are you doing? Divided by. Okay. Ooh, sorry, baby. Okay, Prow.
Ready, set, go! อะไรวะนอนหน่อยจ้าตายหาอะไรไปได้เราก็ตลกกลับก่อนโอ้โหตัวปลาถ้าคนก็เดียว
Looking good. All right, finish. Very nice job. Friends, take a look over here. What's our biggest number? What's our biggest number? 40. For multiplication, our biggest number goes last. For division, our biggest number is going to be first. Here you go. You can erase. You're going to say go. I think Pangpon was first. Okay. Let's have two and need. Come on up. Okay. Ready?
Ready, set, go!
Remember for 7 times. You got it. You're doing good. Need, we want our biggest number first, friend. Our biggest number goes first. Biggest number. There we go. 42 divided by 7 equals 6. Very good. We still want our biggest number first. All right, very nice. Where's our biggest number here? First or last? Last. What about in division? Is our biggest number first or last? First. Very nice job. Good job, buddy. Okay. Going fun, fun. Come on up. Yep, they went first. We'll get one more time. I think we'll have time for one more time. Hurry, hurry. Okay, turn around, girls. I'm going to choose the friends that are quiet, friends. Ready? Oh, Ju, tell them. Ready? Okay, what numbers do we have, friends? Good. What's our biggest number? 32. Woo, that was fast. All right. We still need our numbers.
Ready, set, go!
Okay. All right, very nice. Where's our biggest number? First or last? Last. Great job. All right, you're going to be in our spot. Very nice job. Where's our biggest number?
45.
Is it first or last? First. Great job. Okay. Pangpon.
Ready. Go.
That was it. Here. What do you notice about these numbers, friends? 9, 81, and 9. All right. Where's our biggest number? First. What is our biggest number? 81. Are these the same?
Yeah.
Yeah, they are the same. Very nice. Let's take a look over here. Where's our biggest number?
81.
Is it last or first? First? Last. Yeah, are these the same?
Yeah.
Yep, we have the same two numbers. So we have the same two equations for times and for divided by.
Ready?
Okay, what's our biggest number?
56.
Is it first or last?
First.
First. For division, it's first. Very nice job, friends. Great work. Paht's working on our times. Looking good. Very nice. What's our biggest number? Biggest number. What is it? 50. Good, and it's last. Very nice. Here you go, bud. You can erase for us. All right. Remember, friend, we want our biggest number first. Biggest number first. Biggest number first. There we go. There you go. Yeah, there you go. You got it, friends? Very nice. Good. Same thing. Biggest number first. Biggest number first. All right, finished? Okay. What's our biggest number? What's the biggest number? What number? 30?
32.
32. Biggest number is last. Good job, bud. Okay, go over there. Hold on, dude. Come over here, friend. We need to switch these. So 8. 8. There we go. And our 4. Good, because we have biggest number first. Oh, that's good. Then 8, 4. And we switch. 8 and 4. Good job. Okay, friend. Gio, are you ready? Okay, we've got our biggest number first for division. Biggest number last for multiplication. Very nice. What's our biggest number? 63. Is it first or last? Very nice. What about over here? What's our biggest number? What's our biggest number? What's our biggest number? 63. 63. Is it first or last? First. First, okay. Okay, we're going to take a look at our PowerPoint word problems. We'll quickly review the ones we practiced in our last lesson already, and then we've got some new ones to go through today together as a class. So everybody put your eyes over here, my friends. Take a look over here in our PowerPoint. So we're going to look at the ones we did in our last lesson first. So we're going to read the problem together. Raise your hand if you can tell me what our equation is. Down has 30 cookies. She puts the 30 cookies into 5 boxes. How many cookies does each box have?
5.
We did this one yesterday. She has 30 cookies. She puts the 30 cookies into 5 boxes. How many cookies are in each box? 6. Yeah, do you remember how we made this an equation? We looked at our numbers. What 2 numbers do we have? And divided by 5 equals 6. Good. Because we have our biggest number first, we're putting them into groups of 5. So there are 6 cookies inside every box. Very nice, friends. What about Paht and his bugs? Paht has 32 bugs. He separates the bugs equally into how many boxes? 4 boxes. So how many bugs are inside each box?
8.
That's what we want to know. Yeah, the answer is 8. How do we make that into an equation like this? 32. Good. We take our biggest number first, 32. All his bugs. Then we put them into 4 boxes. There are going to be 8 bugs in all of those boxes. You got it, friends. What about our bananas and our neighbors? There are 4 neighbors and 28 bananas. How many bananas will each neighbor get? How do we make that an equation? Good, and how do we make that into an equation?
28 divided by 4 equals 11.
Good, we take our biggest number, divided by our second number, and we get our answer 4. Very nice. What about our friend 2 with his bottle caps? 2 has 24 bottle caps. He makes 6 toy cars with all of the bottle caps. How many wheels does each car have? How do we do this one?
24 divided by 6 equals 4.
Good. Is 24 our biggest number?
Yeah.
Yep. So for division, it goes first. 24 divided by what?
Divided by 6.
Divided by 6. Very nice. Equals 4. Great job, friends. Those are the ones we practiced in our last lesson. Now we've got some new problems to take a look at. So let's go through them together. There are 27 eyes, and there are 9 monsters. How many eyes does each monster have? I hear some right answers. So think about how you can make an equation just like this. So what's our biggest number? What's our biggest number here?
27.
27. Does that go first or last? First. For division, our biggest number always goes first. So we have 27 divided by, what's our other number? 9. 27 divided by 9. Eyes on his hands? Yeah, that's pretty funny, isn't it? Equals 3. Good. 27 divided by 9 equals 3. We want to take our biggest number, divide it by the other number, and that's going to help us find our answer. So that's how we take that information from our word problem or our story, and we can use that information to write an equation. Okay, let's see what's next.
64
Teeth. And there are alligators.
How many teeth
Does each
alligator
have? Good. Big alligator mouth, right? So what do we do first? We take a number, our biggest number. What's our biggest number? What's our biggest number here? 64. Does that go first or last for division? First. So we put our biggest number first. And what other number does it tell us? How many alligators are there? 8. 8 alligators.
Equal 8.
That's right, it does equal 8. Our biggest number divided by the other number it tells us, and that's going to help us find our answer. 64, the number of teeth, 8, the number of alligators, and our answer just happens to be 8. Of pizza. And there are 7 minions. How many slices does each minion get? So try to do this one on your desk. Think about what we do. We want to take our biggest number. See if you can write the equation all on your own. See if you can write that equation all on your own. What's our biggest number in this problem? You got it. Where? What's our biggest number?
No.
What's the biggest number over here?
49.
Good job, you got it. Got it. Working on it, very nice. Paht, what's our biggest number over here?
49.
49, so that goes first.
49 divided by
What's our biggest number? 49.
Divided by 7.
Good job, friends. A lot of our friends have it. So we take our biggest number, 49, divided by, what's our other number? 7. Nope, not 10. What's 49 divided by 7? And we can't figure that out. If it's easier to think 7 times what number gives us 49, that is a really great way to do it. So what's 7 divided by 7? 49 divided by 7? Equals 7. And what's 7 times what gives us 49? 7. So if you don't know your divisions, you can flip them and make it a multiplication problem, and it might be a little easier for you. So let's see what our last problem is. Pandas. There are 2 plants, and there are 8 pandas. How many plants does each panda get to eat? So we've got 8 pandas, 72 plants. Think about your biggest number.
8.
8 times 8 is 64. We've got 8 pandas, 72 plants. How many pandas does each of those, how many plants will each of those pandas get? You got it. You got it. So how do we write this as an equation?
72.
We start with 72. Divided by 8. Use your number trick. Cool. Equals 9. Each of those pandas will get 9 plants. Very nice job, friends. So let's take a little break before we do our worksheet. We'll stretch a little bit so everybody can stand up. You can put your papers and your pencils on the desk and stand up. And we will stretch our arms up high and stretch out all your fingers. Stretch them all out. Very nice. Put your arms in a T and touch your toes. Come up halfway and swing your monkey arms. Pretend they're very heavy. Good. And stand up nice and tall. Let's do it one more time. Put your arms up high and stretch your fingers. Put your arms in a T. Shh. Put your arms in a T and touch your toes. And come up halfway and swing your arms. Pretend they're heavy. And stand up nice and tall. Everybody stand up nice and tall. Stand up nice and tall. Okay, turn to a neighbor and tell that neighbor hello. Tell that neighbor hello with your other hand. Shake hands with your neighbor. Shake 2 hands with your neighbor. Give your neighbor high fives up top. High fives down low. And shake hands with your neighbor. Spin your neighbor. Get a spin for yourself. Or you can do the double spin, it's pretty fun. Okay, after a few spins, tell that neighbor thank you.
Thank you.
Tell that neighbor
You're welcome.
you're welcome. Good job. Let's do 3 claps. 3 jumps. 3 steps. 3 spins.
3.
Ooh, okay, we're nice and dizzy. Everybody can take a seat. So we're going to do our same balloon worksheet like we did in our last lesson. So it's going to be just the same way. You're going to solve the equation, and you're going to color the balloon that has the right answer in it. So our first one is 49 divided by 7. And we just had that practice from our PowerPoint. But it gives us a balloon with 8, a balloon with 7, and a balloon with 16. So 49 divided by 7. If we don't know that problem, we can also think about it with multiplication and flip it around. So we can think 7 times what number equals 49. Our biggest number is now last. Yeah, and it's 7. That's a little bit easier to think about sometimes when we're working on division. It might be a little easier to think about a multiplication problem. So that's a little trick you can use. 7 times 7 is 49. And we're going to spend the rest of the class working on our worksheets with our balloons and color in the balloons when you finish. So what's my answer? 49 divided by 7.
Equals 7.
So should I color this balloon?
No.
This? Yeah, I'm going to color my balloon only with the right answer. So just one balloon will be colored, and you can write your answer here. Okay?
Thank you.
Here you go. It's time to work on this now. Not easy? Where's Laka? Here you are. Here you go. Paht. Nadia. And pack balloon. So it's the same thing that we did in our last lesson. You know what to do. You're going to solve those answers and color it in. So go to work on this for a minute, buddy. It's not time to work on this right now. We're going to work on this. Nope, it's not time to work on this. It's time to work on this. I think you can put that in your desk, my friend. Yeah, you're smart. You're smart. You don't need to look at that. You don't need to look at that. It does? Are you sure?
We finished it.
How did you know? 7 times 7? 77 divided by 7. Not 3. You got it. Friends, for the second one, it might be easier to think about 7 times what number gives us 77 instead of 77 divided by 7. So if you need to help think about that, all you do is flip your problem into a multiplication problem. Your biggest number is going to be last. And you just think about what that missing number is here, just like a fact family. So that might be a little easier trick to help you on some of the division problems that are hard. If you can flip them into a multiplication problem and think about your missing number, it might be a little bit easier than trying to draw a picture and solve your division problem. That's it. You got it. You got it. Okay, what is this though? Buddy, we're not working on this right now. It's time to work on this. Can you put this in your desk? Thank you.
Teacher Sam.
Nope.
Sam.
7, 7, but this answer isn't 7. You can still do red. Friends, what's 77 divided by 7? 11. 11. 11. 11. 11. Think about it. What do you think? Good job, buddy. Good job. Good job. You want to color? Color all your balloons? Eight times 12? Which one? Or which one are you looking at? 24? Okay, so think about, not 9, that's too high. So think about 3 times what number gives you 24? Instead of 24 divided by 3. It's not 9. It's close. It's close to 9. Oh, I did it the wrong way. For which problem? Yeah. Because we can also think 3 times 8 equals 24 with times, if that's harder. What do you think? 7, 6, or 10?
10.
You got it. You got it, buddy. You got it.
10 equals 10.
What? 90 divided by 9?
Equals 10.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. You got it. How are we doing, buddy? Good. Can you color your balloons? So get your color pencils. I'm going to color this balloon, 7. So we color this balloon, 11. We color this balloon. What number? 11. 11. Good. 24. 24.
24.
Good. 24 divided by 8. Divided by 8 equals 3. Very nice job. We'll color all your balloons. Color in those balloons. Looking good. Looking good. You can also draw a picture if you want to draw a picture to help you figure out these problems.
Equal 9.
81 divided by 9?
Yeah.
Equals 9?
9.
You got it, bud. Yeah. 81 divided by 9? Not 6. Use your finger trick. Look on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What do you think? How many here? 81. So we know 9 times 9.
And then, yeah, equal 3.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
5.
This is 4.
Yeah, you got it. 32 divided by 8 is 4. Okay, cool. Looking good. Looking good. Can you color these guys too?
No.
Yeah. Color all these ones from the other side. So we printed our worksheet on 2 sides, so some of our friends are going to finish up coloring their other side. If they didn't finish today, our friend Lakau is done. Do you want to do an I like?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, beautiful job, friends.
We finished.
Yeah, good job. How about these ones? Got both sides? Very nice. Good job, bud. All right, great job. This looks wonderful. Okay, can you bring some of our I like papers for down and 2? And 2 is finished also. And pang pong. Okay, you can still finish up. Good job, bud. You got both sides? Cool. You want to do an I like?
Yeah.
Okay. How are you doing over here, friend? All right, ready to color? Yeah, you just get to color all your balloons now. Finished. Okay. Very nice job. Looks great. Looks great.
I like pizza.
Pizza. P. I. Sounds like an S, but it's Z. 2 Z's. So I like igloo. Igloo. A. Yep. Just like that. Fish. F. Yeah, good. F-I-F-S-H. Cha. What 2 letters? Good. Yep. Not S. Cha. Cheese. Cha. Chicken. C-H. C and H together.
And sticker.
You can put a sticker. You do a sticker.
And sticker.
Yeah. C-H. I. Okay. If you did one yesterday, you can get a sticker. If you're doing one today, you can get a sticker. Okay. From yesterday? Okay. I think they're in the corner there. Chicken. Chicken. See? That's right. I like. What do you like?
I like
Chicken. Oh, you can see it there? Shark. What do you like? Sharks are cool. Who likes sharks? No? Okay, think of something you like. All right, so is everybody almost finished? Okay. All right, almost finished? Okay. Shark. Shark. You know the 2 letters for S? And H together. Shark. Shark. Okay.
And we go
All right, so it looks like most of our friends have finished up with their worksheets. They're starting to do some of our I Like box activities. So we're going to thank everyone for joining us for our math lesson today. Can everyone say goodbye?
Goodbye.